Welcome to qnawire.
Okay, so this is the graph of the pendulum motion. So the pendulum will swing back and forth like this. And the green dashed line here is the equilibrium position. And there should be an angle theta here at the starting point. And let's say that it's theta 1, okay? Which means that this point, this here should be, let me do this, theta 2. And theta 2 should be equal to negative theta 1 if we consider the position at theta 1 as positive position, okay? So this is the angular displacement versus time graph, okay? Or you can consider it as a position versus time graph. As you can tell, at the starting position, the amplitude is the biggest because at that point there's angular displacement theta 1, which is positive there. And as you swing back and forth, you reach the equilibrium position, which is when the theta here becomes 0, which are the point here. So these are the equilibrium positions. And then you will reach the amplitude again, which is negative theta 1 here. So this is the answer for this question.